Math Day, great day, Math Lead learners. Welcome to Mathematics Lead channel, where we turn your math worries into mystery. I am your teacher Kay, and together let's have fun while learning. So our topic for today is graph and solve problem involving circle and other geometric figures on coordinate plane. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to do the following. First, identify and describe the properties of circle and other geometric figure using given points. Second, show curiosity and participation by exploring shapes using digital tools. And third, plot points and draw geometric figures such as square, triangle, and square on the coordinate plane. So, for our engaging activity, before we start, let's warm up with a short activity called Crack the Code, Identify the Radius. I will show you the equation of circle, and your task is to identify the radius. Remember the standard form of a circle's equation. For the first equation, can you identify what is the radius? Quantity x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equals to 16. So you are correct. The radius of this is equals to 4 because the square root of 16 is equals to 4. The second equation, can you identify what is the radius? Quantity x plus 4 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equals to 9. Yes, very good. The radius of this equation is equals to 3 because the square root of 9 is equals to 3. For our last equation, can you identify, class, what is the radius of this equation? Quantity x plus 0 squared plus quantity y minus 0 squared is equals to 25. Yes, you are correct. The radius of this equation is equals to 5 because the square root of 25 is equals to 5. So I know that you are ready to activate your mind, so in this part, we are going to proceed in activating your knowledge. So this is the important part of this video. So the radius is the constant of given of a circle or sphere. Every point the boundary is the same distance over the center. Knowing the radius allow us to calculate the diameter, circumference, area, surface area, and volume. This is all essential in geometric problem. The radius is often used in coordinate geometry to define circle. It is quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equals to r squared, where h and k is the center and r is the radius. The properties of a square on a coordinate plane. All points are equidistant from a center. The distance is calculated using distance formula. It represents quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equals to r squared, where h and k is the center and r is the radius. For example, let's identify this circle. The point is A is 3, 4, B is 6, 8, C is 9, 4, and D is 6, 0. Our center is 6 and 4. Using the distance formula is equals to square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So we were going to use this formula. So let's now substitute the letter A. So the point is 3 and 4 and our center is 6 and 4. So let's substitute square root of 3 minus 6 squared plus quantity 4 minus 4 squared is equals to, yes, the answer is 3. And let's substitute in B. So our point is 6 and 8, to the center 6 and 4. So let's substitute again to the formula. So it is equals to square root of quantity 6 minus 6 squared plus quantity 8 minus 4 squared is equals to 4. So for our letter C, our point is 9 and 4. To the center, 6 and 4. So let's substitute again. So square root of quantity 9 minus 6 squared plus 4 minus 4 squared is equals to 3. And for our last point is D. 6 and 0, to the center, 6 and 4 again. So let's substitute again. So square root of quantity 6 minus 6 squared plus 0 minus 4 squared is equals to 4. What do you think is the meaning of this? It is not equal. They do not form a perfect circle because the distances are not all equal. So let's proceed to the properties of square. So, in the properties of square is 4 equal side lengths. So, the opposite side of parallel and adjacent side are perpendicular. Proceed to the example. So the side W is equals to 1 and 1. The X side is 5 and 1. The side Y is 5 and 5. And the C side is 1 and 5. So let's use again the distance formula is equals to square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Let's substitute again. So, to the x and y, so let's substitute. So, it is equals to square root of quantity 5 minus 1 squared plus quantity 1 minus 1 squared. It is equals to, what is the sum? Yes, you are correct. The sum is 4. So, now let us check the slope. The slope of W and X is equals to 0, which means it is a horizontal line. So the slope of X and Y, which mean is undefined, it is in the vertical. All side measure 4 units and all angles are equals to 90 degrees. Therefore, we can conclude that WXYZ is a square. For our developing competency, for your activity, you will create your own geometric shape using 4 to 10 points on a coordinate plane. You may choose a circle, square, or triangle. List your coordinates, plot and connect the points, and explain why your figure match the shape you choose. Submit a photo of or screenshot of your work in my email. So I will put my email at the description box so you can submit your work. Thank you for listening and participating in today's lesson. I hope you learn how to graph and identify geometric figures on coordinate plane.